Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can unlock plots in your private island in Heartopia. So once you've reached DG level 35 or 30, I don't remember, I think it was 30, you're just going to press this button once you have purchased this like island teleportation device. Um, just gonna wait here. And to unlock plots, you're just going to press this button over here and you're just going to unlock the plot according to the area that you need to unlock. I don't know what I'm trying to say, but yes, it does go like this because it takes like a few minutes, seconds to unlock the plot. It's going to like give you a little cutscene. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.